Hello students, today we are going to see subject English of standard 3rd. Students, do you love to eat biscuits? Yes, I think everyone love to eat biscuit. Small children, grown up and even old ones also love to eat biscuits because they are tasty and crispy. But do you know where these biscuits are made? So, let us see where the biscuits are made from this lesson. So, our lesson number 6 is in a biscuit factory. So, today we are going to visit a biscuit factory. Okay, so in the world, many people are there. Almost most of the people may like to eat biscuits. So, these biscuits cannot be made in small amount. They are made to be in large quantity. So we have a biscuit factory for making the biscuit because everyone should get the biscuit. Okay, so we have varieties of biscuits. So let us visit a biscuit factory today. A biscuit is so crisp and tasty. We all love to eat biscuit. Yes, biscuits are so crispy. When we put the biscuit in our mouth, the sound comes, crunchy sound comes, and they are very tasty. And we all love biscuits. We get different types of biscuits in shops. It's not that only one kind of biscuit is there. We get different types of biscuits like Parle-G, Marigold, Good Day, then 50-50, then Junior G, Tiger. Now these days many varieties of biscuits are coming out. So we get different types of biscuits in shop and they come in colorful packets. So the biscuits which we get, they are in attractive packet, they are in colorful packet. They are made in a factory. But how are biscuits made in factory? Let us learn how. Let's find out. So these all the biscuits are made in a factory. So let us find out how they are made. So in the factory, what is done first? The people, those who in charge of in the factory, what they do? They first find out the recipe of the biscuit. What is the recipe of the biscuit? And then they go for the ingredients, things that go in a biscuit. So what are the materials we require to put in the biscuit? They discuss about what are the things to put in the biscuit, then decide how much of to use. Okay, then they decide, okay, they have brought all the material or all the ingredients, but they have to decide how much to put. For example, our mummy cooks the food, but if she puts more salt in the food, curry, what will happen? The curry will become salty. So your mummy has decided how much salt to put while preparing the curry. So the curry becomes tasty. So here also, so they decide how much things to put in the such and such amount and the quantity. Then after deciding that, mix the things and make a dough. After deciding this, here what you have to do? You have to mix this all the ingredients, whatever you have waved, whatever is prepared. What you have to do? You have to mix it. See here, these people are mixing. Okay, so you have to mix it and make a dough. Okay, then knead the dough. You have to knead that dough. See, mummy prepares atta, chapati. So before preparing chapati, she makes the dough of that wheat flour. Okay, so here also same thing. You have to make the dough here and then knead that dough. In the factory there are big machines to do this, and in the house we cannot bring the machines, but in the factory we have machines. So kneading is done. Okay, then after that, roll out the dough. See here, there is a machine. Whatever dough they have prepared, they have rolled it on the machine. Then after that, cut out the dough into biscuit and shape. So you have to cut out into the biscuit, that dough whatever is there, you have to cut it into the biscuit shape. Then bake the dough shapes in the oven. After that, what you have to do? You have to bake these biscuit shapes into the oven is there, so they have to bake it in the oven. Then cool the ready biscuits. So after baking it into the oven, see when we prepare the cake, So we have oven, so it's put over there for the baking. So and then after that you have to cool that and then see if the biscuits are done or baked properly. So after taking out from the oven, after cooling it down, you have to see whether the biscuits are done properly or not. Then after that, the people, those who are there in the biscuit factory, they pack the biscuits into packets. Okay, so they pack the biscuits into packet and then stored and sell the packet. Then those packets are stored and then afterwards they are sold to the seller men, those who come to take the biscuits over there. So they take the biscuits and go to their shop. So from the shop they come to your house. Okay, so you go and buy the biscuits. So this is how the biscuits are made. Okay, so we all love to eat the biscuits. So today we have visited the biscuit factory. Okay, hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you.